Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a hard reset. And this hard reset we are going to perform with an Apple iPad Pro third series. That means this is a 2018 model. So there's no home button. That means we have to use a different side of the buttons. We have the volume up button, the volume down button, and the side button. And only these three buttons are required for this. And you will need all of them to perform a hard reset. If you have some trouble with your Apple iPad, and there is a freeze, on-screen freeze, for example, or you can't go out of some apps, or you have some failure function, etc. You can perform a hard reset to get a reboot. So let's have a look. First step, we have to find the volume up and the volume down button, and then we have to look where is the side button. The volume up and volume down buttons you are going to find on the right side of your device, and this the side button is on the top side of your Apple iPad Pro third session power device. How we can perform it easily: quick press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until you can see the Apple logo on screen, because then the Apple iPad is rebooting and all your data are safe at the device. So let's start. Volume up, volume down, and the side button. Press and hold it. Now wait a little bit, and you can see now it's going to black, and now the iOS is rebooting immediately. Good job, man and woman. That is easy, and you can perform this if you have a fail function. Again, quick press and release volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and then finally press and hold the side button until you have access again. And you can see it worked easily. So that it is how to perform an iPad hard reset with the model of 2018 without home button. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.